Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing which Pokémon you want to teach Thunderbolt and why. Electric coverage beats water and flying types. Once chosen, open your map and head straight to the biomess or dens that spawn that species, and make sure you have enough Pokéballs and healing items. While en route, check that the Pokémon can learn Thunderbolt by TM, tutor, or level up, so you don't waste time catching the wrong form. Act quickly to catch one with Good Roman 4 and Nature. After you catch a candidate, assess its move compatibility and move slot availability. You'll want to remove a weak move if needed. Next, acquire Thunderbolt. Buy or find the TM, visit a move tutor, or breed for the move as an egg move. Once you have the TM or tutor access, teach it and then train the Pokémon in battles or with EXP items so it reaches effective damage thresholds. Make sure to test moves in a wild or trainer fight so you confirm accuracy and power. Finally, confirm your Pokémon's moveset and role, swap out a redundant move for Thunderbolt, and keep key utility moves. Once taught, fight a few trainers to ensure Thunderbolt lands reliably and contributes to your strategy. If you can't teach the move, double-check the species learn set, the TM or tutor availability, and whether terrestrialization changes types. If problems persist, capture a different species or use breeding to inherit the move. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes the issue fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.